Hi, yes. Next topic, MS Word, introduction of title bar. Introduction of title bar. Definition of title bar. Title bar is a horizontal bar situated at the top of frame. Title bar is used to show the program name or name of the open text. This is the title bar window. The left side is called Customize Quick Access Toolbar. This has the who is the open on the window. The logo is displayed on the left side of the top. Again, second one is the save button, redo and undo button. These are all called a Customize Quick Access Toolbar. The middle one is the program name. You are not given to any program name here displaying the document 1. Which window you are open, that is mentioned on it. You are now open to the MS Word, that name is displayed here. The right side of the title bar have control buttons are 3 is there. First one is the maximize button, minimize button and close button. How to using on that with the keyboard action. Minimize the window. The keyboard action. Windows key and plus D. The window is minimized. Or second option, Windows key plus down arrow. Plus down arrow. This is the two options have in the minimize the window. Keyboard action, maximize the window. Window key plus up arrow. How to close the window? Alt plus F4. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.